Is it on? Hey, this is Donaldson here on site, right here at the construction site. Today we're going to show you how to save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars when it comes to repairs around your home, namely when it comes to rotten wood repairs. Today we're going to be using a two-part wood epox. There's a cat over there. They were going to be using a two-part wood epox. It's called wood epox. It's sandable, it's paintable, dries harder than wood. We're going to mix it together in our hands until it becomes one color consistency. Then we're going to shove it in the hole. Then we're going to shove it in the hole. Then we're going to shove it in the hole. And now what it looks like, see? Can you see it? Can you see the repairs? Can you see the repairs?